Good morning, traders. TG Watkins here. It is March 11th when I'm recording this, and want to let you guys know that we've got something coming up with the Money Show. So we've been out to Florida, Orlando. We've done the Las Vegas Money Show that we just came back from a couple weeks ago, and now we're going to be doing a virtual Money Show Expo. So this is going to be coming up on the 20th, March 20th. We're actually going to have a few of our traders together. We're going to be talking together on the mic at the same time. So Joe and Allison are going to be with me. Should be a pretty interesting thing. We've kind of been talking about it in the background and figuring out what we're going to do for it and how it's going to look. And basically, yeah, it's going to look like some live trading. So I think this will be a really interesting thing, hopefully a big draw. And if you guys are interested, come on, check it out. Sign up for the email, I guess, postal code and all that. And then we'll see you guys there. All right, so as far as the market goes, we know that we've been needing to express a lot of caution out here. So what we've been seeing, what I've been seeing, is that, this market has been amazingly strong, no doubt about it. But we're also starting to get up to this area where I have been wondering for the last few weeks, like, okay, when are we going to start pulling back? And I think we are at least at one juncture. So we can see here just through the candles that we've been starting to get a little bit weak. Now, I know today is only Monday, so this is a brand new bar. We'll have to see. But really, I think it is reasonable to start expecting the market to kind of get a little bit weak, start pulling back, because the internals and everything else, it's just this can't last forever. And so we're seeing price up. The MOX indicator has been down for quite some time. And then if we do look at the leaders, basically, so the FANG stocks, and you can look at FNGS or FNGU, and these things have been starting to roll over a bit. You can see that they really haven't been able to make any progress over the last few weeks, and the MOX indicator is super far down. And you can see that, yes, they are starting to kind of work their way lower. Now, we'll have to see how far this goes, how long, how many days, how many weeks this all takes. But we do need to see a cycling down of stuff like that. And I think we're kind of at that point. Now, that doesn't mean everything is going to go down. In fact, we're having a good day today in our account, even though the market's down. And we're starting to see that China is starting to wake up a bit. So if you guys are interested in that area, some Chinese names could be of interest. So take a look at that. Basically look at FXI as far as that indicator or a ticker for the sector. And it's starting to catch a little bit of a bid there. All right, guys. So if you're interested, we're going to be probably looking into some of these Chinese names and trading them. And if you want to know how to trade them and what we're looking for, come on over to the Moxie trading room, the Moxie Mastery over at simplertrading.com, and come sign up. You can talk to our customer support, and we're always running some deals out there. All right, guys. Thanks again, and we'll see you at the next one. Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis. Or you can join my free newsletter with the link in the description. Good trading, and I'll see you at the next video.